Welcome to Athar's Garage. In this video, I'll be working on the GL Racing GTR, step 9 or page 13 in the manual. So let's get started. What we're going to do is install the rear pod onto the main chassis. So we already have the ball stud D18 installed. What we're going to do is we're going to install the side links on these balls on both ends and ball stud D18 in the center. And we're going to check the front to back play and make sure we have free movement side to side. So let's go ahead and do that. So the D18 ball is going to install right here. So just kind of push it together just like that. And then we're going to install the side links. I'm just going to pop the side links on. Okay, so we have free movement side to side, but I do feel a little bit amount of play front to back. So it may not be necessary to install the SM3 shims. Those are 2x4 by 0.1. So I'm going to undo one of these side links, pop this off, take off the D18 ball stud, add one shim, and then reassemble and see if there's any change front to back. So in the manual it says to basically turn it over, line up the side link, and see if there's any misalignment where you need to add some shims. But what I like to do is just install everything back together and feel it, and you'll know if it's binding. Okay, so I don't have any front to back play, and I have nice and free movement side to side. Nothing feels like it's binding. So one shim is the limit. I don't think I need to add any more shims. I think if I do, I'll end up starting to bind. So you just have to do this over and over again until you find the right combination of SM3 shims, so that way the rear part can be moving freely without any front to back movement or front to back play, because that's going to make your car act kind of weird. So, well, that's it for step 9 or page 18 in the manual. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you did. Let me know down in the comments if you have any questions or issues, and I'll do my best to help you out. Stay tuned for the next video, which will be page 14. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.